Hello everyone, welcome back to Harper's Chic. Today we're going to be making a version of egg fried rice but using quinoa. It's such an easy dish, you don't even need to measure anything, and you probably have all these ingredients in your kitchen already. So, let's get started. This is the type of dish I used to eat a lot of as a kid when my parents were at work. I think I started to cook because I wanted to become more self-sufficient and take care of myself the best I could when others couldn't. My usual cooking style definitely does not involve a lot of measuring tools. I don't remember my mom or grandma ever using any of those, and always put a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and the food always turned out perfect. I think, to me, the trick to cooking is tasting it step by step and understanding what the ingredients do to a dish. Because my mom never measured, sometimes our dishes would start to taste too sweet or too salty, but she always knew what to put in to balance it. That always amazed me. The beauty of this dish is that you could always perfect it to your taste. The seasoning is only 2 ingredients, so start out with a little soy sauce and add as you go to your taste. Also, don't be afraid of sesame oil because it is a good type of fat in moderation. So I think what I'm trying to say is that I'm not delusional. I am no chef, but I sure am a home cook. And as much as it gives me pleasure as a hobby, it's a testament to my resilience and my will to try to take care of myself and my family as best as I can. I can definitively say that this is thanks to my immigrant parents who never quit. So perhaps life can be like cooking. When it gets too tough and too salty, maybe a little sweetness can help. Wasn't that so easy? If you want more easy peasy recipes like this, please comment below, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harper's Chic. Stay chic and healthy.